Hi, welcome to Wareham Free Library's second half of our bear hibernation story time. First thing I'm going to do is teach you the sign for bear. You cross your arms, you make claws, and you touch your shoulder. Bear, bear. Now, to do teddy bear as an adult, you spell it out. T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy bear. But for children, this can be teddy bear, touching your shoulders. And now we'll do our song, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch your nose. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Teddy bear, say good night. I learned this from this series of books. It's songs that you sign. We've got this in our toddler section. We've got 3 or 4 other songs that go along with this. And I have lots of board books that have signs that are good for babies. In the parenting section, I have books on signing with your baby or your toddler. And even in the children's section for older children, learning to sign, because it will have the alphabet. So for T's and B's and C's, for everything. Now I have one more song that you might like to learn. It's called Bear is Sleeping. Bear is sleeping, bear is sleeping in his cave, in his cave. I wonder when he'll come out, wonder when he'll come out in the spring, in the spring. And you'll learn that sign next week. I have a spring hibernation craft. It's Bear waking up in his cave. You can see his eyes are peeking open. So I have a sleeping bear template. I just use a black piece of paper and cut out a cave shape, big or small, any size. I usually put it on a blue piece of paper. I've added snow, or you could color it in, and make sure you put in animals and bees and the sun. We also have a sheet that's which animals hibernate, and lots of animals, and you color in the ones that you think hibernate, and the answers are in the back if you need help. I have a coloring sheet from Brown Bear, what do you see? A coloring sheet from a mother bear with her baby, and last but not least, a coloring sheet from our book, Bear Snores On, Bear telling stories to his friends. We have links on our website. The story of the teddy bear has to do with one of our famous presidents. A link about grizzly bears from the San Diego Zoo. A link about bears just from Botanica Kids. A link about hibernation from the same source, and a fun link with 8 different bear crafts. So I hope you've enjoyed learning about how hibernating animals wake up in the spring and learning about bears. Thank you for listening.